today is. We are actually going to be working on my car today, trying to get the headers to work, do the modifications on it that we need to, and yeah, we already got the exhaust off and my current headers, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. Here I'm showing you a little bit of me taking my exhaust and my headers off. And here is some comic relief because our creeper has only, I think 3 wheels, and I couldn't get it to move. And she's in there. Took some cutting, but we're hoping that the cutting worked so we don't have to smash in one of them. So yeah. On to the dreaded driver's side. That's gonna be an issue, but hopefully won't be too much of an issue, but we'll see. Also, don't come for my valve covers. They just need redone. So we got the steering shaft off, and then our friend Skylar is going to take it, and I believe he's going to be adding an extension at the bottom so that it can go around the headers. So got the headers up in there. They don't have the gaskets on yet, so we'll be taking them off again, but they fit pretty well over here, besides the steering shaft, but we're not gonna have to pound any of them in, so that's a relief. And then here's the side one. So yeah, super excited about that. Can't wait to get the steering shaft back and then get them actually on for good. So then I just have to find an exhaust to put on it, which I'm looking at Solar Performance ones. So we'll see, probably get that ordered this week. And I'd say it's a pretty successful garage day. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.